Good morning, student. Today we will start with new chapter number 5, working with paint. Students, in our previous class we have learned about MS Paint. I think you all are aware about the paint. Okay? Microsoft Paint, also called MS Paint or simply Paint. Okay? So, what is Paint? Paint is a program made by Microsoft. Paint is a computer program made by Microsoft. It allows us to create picture files as well as edit picture files saved on your computer. It means you can create your own picture files, okay, and if you want to edit the pictures again, you want to make changes inside the picture files again, you can do it and save it with another name. This facility is available in MS Paint. Microsoft Paint is also a program to edit text in images saved on a computer. Okay, there are various tools to help us edit photos like pencil tool, eraser tool, cutout tools, multiple shape tools, etc. So students, before start to work on MS Paint, we have to start MS Paint. There are two ways to start MS Paint. To start the MS Paint, we have to follow some step. Step number 1. Click on the start button on the taskbar to display the menu. See here, this is taskbar. Here you have to click on this start button. And step 2. Next, click on Windows Accessories. See here, this is Windows Accessory. Click on the Windows Accessories. Step 3. Choose Paint on it. In step 3, choose Paint program. As you will click on it, the Paint window will appear. Another way to open Paint program is type Paint in search box on taskbar and click Paint in the result. See here, this is taskbar, and on the taskbar this is search box. In this search box you are to type Paint. As you will click on this search box, you will find this Paint program from the result. Okay, just click on it. As you will click on it, you will see the Paint window will appear. Okay, this Paint window is divided into 4 parts. This Paint window is divided into 4 parts: title bar, menu bar, ribbon, drawing area. Okay, so first is title bar. Title bar at the very top of the computer screen is the title bar, which contains quick access toolbar, maximize, minimize and close buttons. As you all know that in every program we see the title bar situated on the top of the window. So topmost bar is on the computer screen is known as title bar. This title bar contains with quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar you can quickly access the tools, like if you want to save your drawing, you can undo or redo your program. Second, see here, this is name of the document. You are seeing here, this is untitled. Untitled means still you are working in the Paint and your file is not saved. That's why it is showing here untitled. As you will finish your work and you will save your file, then the name of your file will show here instead of untitled. Okay, and this is Paint. It is a name of a software. We are working in MS Paint now, so this is showing here name of a software. And here at the far right of the title bar you will find here minimize, maximize and close buttons. Minimize, maximize and close buttons. Minimize button shrinks the window and places it on the taskbar. As you will click on this minimize button, it will places on the taskbar. It means bottom of the screen. Okay, and maximize button looks like a small window. It is used to enlarge a window to cover the entire desktop. To cover the entire desktop. And last one is close button. This close button is used to close your Paint program. Okay, so you can see here, this is title bar. This topmost bar is title bar. Here you will find quick access toolbar, name of the document and minimize, maximize and close buttons. Next is menu bar. The menu bar has 3 items on the left and a help button at the far right. 3 items, you can say 3 tabs: File tab, Home tab and View tab. File tab, Home tab and View tab. And at the far right you will find help button. You can take any help from this help button. This menu bar situated at the just below the title bar. This is title bar. Just below the title bar you will find here menu bar. This is menu bar. Next is ribbon. All the tools, the color plate and most of the commands are grouped together in the ribbon. All the tools. See here, there are many tools are in the ribbon. These tools are grouped together. These tools or these commands are grouped together in the ribbon. See here, this is clipboard group. In this group, this group is contained by the cut, copy and paste command. Image group is contained by the crop, resize, rotate and select command. Tools group contained by these tools and brushes. And shape command contained by different types of shapes. And this is color plate. This color plate is contained by many colors. So in this way you will find all the tools together in the ribbon. This ribbon is situated under the menu bar. See here, this is ribbon. This is ribbon. Now drawing area. It is the central part of the screen. You can make your drawing in this area. See here, this white or blank area, you can say this is drawing area. In this drawing area you can draw your drawings. You can draw your pictures using pencils. You can fill the color using this fill with color tool. You can use many brushes. You can use many shapes and fill color using these many colors. Okay, so in this drawing area you can draw your pictures. After drawing your pictures, while drawing your pictures you can use some tools: pencil tool, fill with color tool or eraser tool. Pencil tool is used for drawing or typing anything with free hand, like your real pencil. You can use this tool to draw in computer. Fill with color tool, after drawn any shape you can fill color inside the shape. Eraser tool is used to erase a drawing, or you can erase a part of drawing using the eraser tool. See here, in this tools group you will find this pencil tool, fill with color tool, eraser tool, etc. There are many tools, especially these tools you will find in the tools group. Okay students, so in this way you can draw your picture, you can fill color inside your picture in this drawing area. Thank you.